Hey there, we're going to do the Droopy Flower in pitch black, and can't believe I didn't do it the first time, but I didn't. I had other things in mind. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to put a drop down here, dry it, put another drop and dry it. The first drop I'll go ahead and do so you can see how I do it. Then after that I will just pause it and we'll join back later. So here's the first drop. I'm going to put it about right here. I don't know how they find me, but I start playing and they show up. His brother's solid gray, and he's not around, but this one is. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's start getting our petals going. I have very little alcohol in my bottle, so it won't shoot out. It'll only put a drop or two. You get it full, it tends to just gush out on you. So save yourself some headache, put just a little bit on it at a time. And you can get that 1 or 2 drops that you're wanting. Slow is the key. He is watching so intently. And I like to kind of make them kick one way or the other at the end. Just to add a little fun. Oh, I squirted too much out. Okay. I'm going to take a dark gray. Where's my dark gray? Under my cat. I'm going to do the stem. No. I did that last time. It was terrible. I'm going to go ahead and do green. I was wanting to kind of stay all grays and things, but my leaves didn't do well. So I'm going to do this. And I'm going back and forth over this to pick up some of that dark and put it up in the green. And then with some of it still on my marker, I want to pull it through so I can have a couple colors in my stem. Not that anybody's going to believe this is a real flower, but it still adds that little extra something. Okay. Now the green that I had used in my other video, I think it's 27, was the Marabu Olive. It did a leaf really well, so I'm going to try it again and see what I can come up with. And I want it droopy too. Everybody's droopy. I don't know if the texture of it is different or what. It just doesn't seem to give as much trouble. The other one spread out and did all kinds of stuff. And okay, now I want to mess with the leaves a little bit. They're kind of smooth. Jeez, Henry. Just you gotta just quit. Sit down. All right. This is using it straight. I just kind of want to go in and kind of mess with it a little bit. I want some texture to it. Don't be afraid to do this. This is a great way to create some controlled texture. I was wanting it to extend a little bit more, but I don't know that it's going to. Oh, I like them. Okay, let me take this. I thought I already done that, but maybe not. Can y'all see that a little bit? Alright, I want to take and remove some of this ink. Don't worry right now, we're not going to leave it like that. But I want to go in and start dabbing it. It's going to go in those little, you'll see. See how it creates? Let me pull some of that more off. And then you can go up in the dark if you want some of that and pull it a little bit more down. But I just want to kind of give a little lightness to it. So these are really cool to have. Or you could use a brush, I guess, and do something like that. But all right, there we go. It's a little, it's interesting. I'm liking it. All right. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it. And y'all go have fun.